Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Motorola Moto E6s. First of all, open your phone application. Then on the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And here we got 2 block numbers, so for unlocking, for example, last one, need tap here on the right side to cross and confirm operation. So let's try this number, click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. One more time, this number and click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And here we got success message. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.